Thank you for watching this video. I'm Evan with Affiliate Switchblade, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick that will allow you to make your blog comment appear near the very top of the page on top of all other comments. For example, here's a web page that already has 332 comments. Now, the one thing about Disqus is when you put your comment already appears at the top, but for most other commenting systems, this is not the case. You appear at the bottom. Notice how the very first comment there is reply. Now you can either add your comment and it'll show up at the bottom and probably nobody will see it, or you can reply to one of the top comments and then your comment will appear at the top of all others. And the way to increase the likelihood that the reply to the comment is approved, notice what I have done in this reply is first I enter in the user's name of the person I'm replying to. That makes it clear that I'm a human being that has read the comment and I'm not a bot, and this will greatly increase the likelihood that your comment gets approved.